Let me tell you a quick story. A guy I knew, smart, hardworking, spent 20 years grinding at his job. Always broke, always stressed. Meanwhile, his old classmate, living in a nice house, taking vacations, building wealth, they started at the same place, same school, same town. So what happened? The truth is something most people will never hear in their lifetime. Getting rich isn't luck. It's not about being born into money or working yourself into the ground. It's actually a science, just like gravity or electricity. Once you understand the rules, the results become predictable. Now, here's a hard truth, but one that could change your life. Most broke people don't stay broke because they're lazy or dumb. It's because they're following the wrong rules. Ever wonder how two people can start at the same point, yet one skyrockets while the other stays stuck? That's not luck. That's cause and effect. And today, we're going to break it down. This isn't hype. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is for people who are tired of guessing and ready to understand the actual science of money. If you feel like your wallet has holes in it, or like your bank account is working against you, you're not alone, but you can change it. And it starts today. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll learn 5 exact steps that separate people who win with money from those who never seem to get ahead. And no, it's not about wishing for it or thinking positively. It's based on facts, habits, and strategy. Let's start with a harsh reality. There are 2 very different games being played when it comes to money, and most people don't even realize they're playing the wrong one. Poor person's game. Trade time for money. Work harder. Save what's left. Buy stuff that feels rich. Rich person's game. Use money to make more money. Let money work while you sleep. Invest first. Spend what's left. Buy things that make you rich. It's not about how much you start with. It's about which game you're playing. According to the Federal Reserve, the average American spends 95% of what they earn and only saves 5%. The average millionaire? They save 20% and invest most of it. Same income, totally different habits. People with a poor mindset ask, how? Can I afford this? People with a rich mindset ask, how can this make me money? So yes, sometimes it feels like the game is rigged. And to be honest, it kind of is. The system does favor people who already have money. But here's what no one tells you: you can still win if you learn how the system really works. Some people are born into wealth. While you're figuring out rent, their investments are already growing. Some families teach money lessons at the dinner table. Others avoid the topic completely. By age 18, wealthy kids understand investing, taxes, business. Poor kids, they're taught to get a job and work hard. Capitalism rewards people who invest. If you've got $100,000, you can make $7,000 a year without lifting a finger. If you've got $0, you make $0. But here's the surprise. 86% of American millionaires didn't inherit their money. They figured out how the wealthy planned. They joined the game. So yeah, it's not fair, but it is learnable. Once you get it, you can win. Let me show you how the rich actually get richer. Here are the 4 big cheat codes wealthy people use, but schools never teach. Make money while you sleep. Rich people don't just save, they invest. While poor folks let money sit in a savings account, losing value to inflation, rich people invest in things that grow. Stocks, real estate, businesses. A $10,000 investment in the S&P 500 in 2000, worth over $40,000 today, and you didn't have to lift a finger. Buy assets, not stuff. Poor people spend on things that lose value: fancy cars, new phones, designer clothes. Rich people buy things that grow in value: stocks, properties, skills, businesses. Every dollar you spend on cool things is a dollar that isn't working for your future. Don't depend on one income. The average millionaire has 7 income streams. Poor people usually rely on one job. Rich people build side businesses, make investments, earn royalties, buy real estate. If one stream dries up, they've got 6 more. Buy time, not things. Rich people pay to get time back. They use delivery services, hire help, pay for speed. Poor people spend hours to save a few bucks then say they don't have time to learn or invest. But time is the one thing you can't earn back. Rich people protect theirs. Now let's talk about why so many people stay broke, sometimes forever. Here are 5 traps that keep 80% of people stuck. Odds are, you're in at least 2 right now. Financial invisibility. Most people have no clue where their money goes. They say, I can't afford to invest $50, then drop $200 on takeout. They waste hundreds on coffee, random Amazon buys, subscriptions they forgot about. Not tracking your money, blindness, money sitting in your savings. Account is losing value every year. If you're earning 0.5% interest, but inflation is 3%, you're losing money slowly. Saving feels safe, but it actually makes you poorer if you don't invest. Addicted to liabilities? A $500 car payment? $200 shoes? The newest iPhone? They all feel good, but they keep you broke. Why? Because you're paying monthly for things. That drop in value. Meanwhile, wealthy people use that same money to buy income-producing assets. One paycheck away. Most people depend on one job. If they lose it or get sick, it's over. No backup. No options. Wealthy people have systems. Multiple income sources. If one fails, others keep them afloat. Time poverty. Spending hours clipping coupons or mowing lawns to save $20, but refusing to spend time learning to invest or start a business. You trade your most valuable resource, your time, for pennies. Wealthy people buy time so they can focus on earning more. So what's the real shortcut from broke to wealthy? It's called skill stacking. 1 skill makes you just another employee. 2 complementary skills make you valuable. But stack 3 skills in, you become irreplaceable. $1 million skill combos: coding plus marketing equals tech entrepreneur. Writing plus psychology equals high-paid copyright. Editing plus business equals YouTube brand builder. Sales plus finance equals investment advisor. Design plus tech equals app developer. The math is simple. If you're the only person who can do that one combo, you name your price. Most people try to be the best at one thing, the smart ones. Become the only person who can do 3 things really well, and that's what sets them apart. Now here's how you escape the broke cycle starting today. Step 1. Track every dollar. You can't fix what you don't see. For 30 days, log every cent you spend. Use an app, spreadsheet, or pen and paper. This isn't about guilt, it's about awareness. You might be shocked how much you're spending on subscriptions, snacks, and impulse buys. Step 2. Start investing. Even with $10. Don't wait until you're rich to invest. Start now. Most platforms let you invest with no minimums and buy fractional shares. Do this today. Open an account on Fidelity Schwab or Vanguard. Start with index fund set auto investments. $725 a month builds the habit. Step 3. Use the does it make money rule. Before buying anything over $50, stop and ask, will this make me money or cost me money? If it makes money, great. If it drains money, pause. This isn't about never having fun, it's about being intentional. Let me be clear, knowing this is not enough. You have to act. If this video opened your eyes to how the game really works, hit that like button, comment. With the cheat code you're going to try this week, subscribe for more tools that teach you how to actually win the money game.